When toasting on the stovetop, a large skillet or pan is key. The broad surface area allows even toasting. Butter and olive oil heat gently and consistently. And right now, I'm going to show you how with my lemon herb crumbs. First things, a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to add my butter. And you may say, why both? I'm like, why say or when you can say and? Butter provides flavor, and the oil helps raise the flash point so that the butter doesn't brown. So they're really great friends in a pan. While that's melting, I'm going to put in 2 cups of my panko crumbs right in here. And I'm just going to stir this so that all the crumbs can get a little of that butter olive oil love. So right now, we're just going to let these crumbs hang out, and then I'm going to add the aromatics. Let's get our garlic ready. See that skin? Get the garlic skin off. I'm using a garlic roller to get the skin off. Look at that. It's like a dressing room. You go in and your clothes come off. All right. And I'm going to go in with my garlic. It's starting to smell so good. So now I'm going to do some zest. I love lemon. If I can add lemon to anything, it will be added. So I'm just going to scoop this up, put that into the panko, and just mix that around. They're starting to brown a little bit, so just keep moving them around as you add things. I am looking for a golden brown. I want them to be all even. Did you say you wanted some herbs? I did. So I'm going to use thyme and parsley to brighten this mixture up. When you're cutting herbs, you really need a sharp knife. Look at this. If your herbs have turned dark, you have bruised them. And I'm going to ask you to start over. Okay? So transfer the breadcrumbs to a bowl so they can cool, so that they don't continue to cook in the pan and get too dark. Yeah, I'm using Parmesan cheese in here. Sur la tip, I have not added any salt yet because Parmesan is salty. So we're adding some Parmesan cheese, then we're going to taste to see how much salt we need to add, right? The lemon and the garlic, it's great. It's so good. The salt, wow. So I'm gonna put the herbs into the panko. And here you have it, the lemon herb crumbs toasted on the stovetop. Ooh, a little piece of Parmesan cheese. This is gonna be the jewelry on top of whatever you use it on.